where heights and depths are one and same. I come into my own and left myself behind. Realize epiphany as gathered sticks from pine to be okay. I guess I don't know how it is, but they're coming on to the radio. With heights and depths on one and same. I came into my own and left myself behind. Realized epiphanies as gathered sticks from pine to be sheltering within. Where heights and depths are one and same, sunlight, storm, snow, and rain alongside, juxtaposed. All aboard the healing train, wherever it may go. Mercy's kindness takes up watch before the gates of time. The coinage tributaries from porch the solid lines left behind them and before them. All men's inclinations being those of peace or war. All aboard the healing train, as you did the nights before. I learned the seeds of want until the whistling air spinning diamonds of sun, renaissance from requiem, resurrect the father and child of light. There are roads back from Damascuses to pluralize the night and seek what once you saw. All aboard the healing train to yestermorrow, twice or once before. Twilight sounds, the trumpet's pulse, rolling into shore. Sun and moon, no arbitudes eclipsed in dreams, until the cup is filled to brimming hymnals, salted by the inks that weep and laugh the whole night through to you and I. All aboard the healing train, heave window side, your side.